Hello everyone, this is Venkat and welcome to Project Java. Today we are going to move ahead of Java 8. This is important because Java 8 has been there for 10 years now and you as a Java developer are missing onto a great part that is up ahead in the journey of Java. We all don't want our exes back into our life because it's already so messed up that we don't want another complex thing to come back.
Emotional damage.
So let's begin with something better, which is JDK 9 that covers the fact that Java is verbose, or it's a myth. You decide after this video. For the most part, let me tell you that all Java developers who use Java 8, they think that Java is verbose. But this problem was solved in JDK 9. With the introduction of JDK 9, there was a feature. Now, what is jshell? We'll talk about that, but let's discuss the agenda of this video. It'll cover the introduction, how to execute the snippets, and the summary of jshell, enough to get you started. So let's begin. jshell is an interactive tool used to learn Java programming language and prototyping of Java codes. It was introduced in JDK 9 and it works on a read, evaluate, print loop, REPL principle. It reads the statements that you type, it evaluates them, evaluates the declaration, it prints them, and then it again loops back. This is significantly a major update of Java because it helps developers explore newer API without any load of new errors. But wait, Venkat, how do you start it? Well, jshell is a command line tool. So we begin with command line. So let's open command prompt and well, let me clear the screen, zoom in a little, reduce reduce the size of this window. Oh, I never get it right. Yeah, perfect. Now, in order to start jshell, you need to type jshell. But before that, you need to check your Java version, which you do like this. And well, if your Java version is below JDK 9, I'm sorry to say that you cannot run jshell. But if you have a Java version of above JDK 9 or JDK 9 exactly, well then you don't have to worry about the grievings. So let's begin jshell. So this is how it looks like. It's not that cool, but let's type something familiar. Oh well, nostalgia. Didn't we write 6 to 7 lines of code when we started programming in Java? Well, I could do it in 1 line. Now, that's a material to flex to your friends. But keep it apart for a moment. Come back to the video. What else can you do with jshell? You can declare variables. Let's say index is equals 20, float ff is equals 56.78f. Well, this f was there in the declaration part of float, otherwise it would have been considered double and would have thrown an exception, possible lossy conversion from float to double. Well, this was all that jshell could do? No, it's not all. There is more to it. You can literally define methods. Let's say I want to define one which takes in a parameter, string parameter, and it returns welcome to jshell with the person's name, semicolon, and the closing brace, of course. Well, this creates a method inside of the jshell memory. And how exactly can you call it? Foobar, let's say Venkat. And there you go. Welcome to jshell Venkat. Thank you. I'm most welcome. So that's how you execute your code snippets in jshell. Similarly, I'll show you how to take in scanner inputs. So I instantiate the scanner class, and this is how the scanner class looks like. The object, obviously. Now, let's say I want to accept a string. How should I do it? The same way you do in Java, but just the statement. just the snippet. Okay, now I need to enter something. Let's say uh, um, not done yet? Question mark. Oh well, I don't need to include braces in everything. So str is set to not done yet, and if I try to print this, there we go. That's how you work out things in a JShell. But then how to close this interesting thing, Venkat? It's simple. You just exit with a forward slash. Goodbye. Oh, goodbye, JShell. Back to the presentation. That's how you go about it. JShell is really a powerful tool to test and learn new concepts in Java without caring about the implementation at a much higher level in your code. It's kind of a playground where you leave your children with the cycle, with the tricycle. They fall, they learn, and only then you can implement those concepts, or you can let your children ride bicycles on the roads. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, share this with all of your friends so that they start moving on from Java 8. But if you are still stuck with your ex, I couldn't help it. Thank you.